In this video, we'll review Pope Tech's Canvas My Dashboard for instructors. You'll learn how to use it to review all your course's accessibility. To learn more about instructors' other dashboard, the course dashboard, or the accessibility guide, check out our other videos at pope.tech/lms-help. Let's get started. My Dashboard is your personal dashboard that has accessibility data for every course you have access to as an instructor. First, to navigate to My Dashboard, start by selecting a course in Canvas. Next, select Pope Tech Accessibility in the Course Navigation menu. In the top navigation, select My Dashboard. Before you start reviewing information, make sure you're on the right term in the top right. Right now, my term is Default Term. I'm also going to filter by available or published courses. The first widget, Results per Course, is a great overview of the overall accessibility health of your courses. Next, the Most Common Issues widget gives the top accessibility issues for all your courses. I'll select the top issue, Very Low Contrast. Now I'm on a list of courses with that issue. For each course, I can review how many very low contrast instances there are and how many content blocks have a very low contrast problem. Next, I'll select Details for a course, and I'm on a content list of everything that has a very low contrast issue in that course. From here, I can select Open, which opens that Canvas content with the accessibility guide in a new window. I'll open the Text and Contrast dropdown and can start updating each instance. I can work on other issues while I'm here, or just focus on one error type at a time. When I'm done, it's easy to go back to the Browser tab with the list of content that has very low contrast errors. I can select Open for the next one and keep fixing very low contrast issues in this course. I can also select the very low contrast breadcrumb to go back to the list of courses with very low contrast issues. Or I can select My Dashboard in the top navigation to review my progress or work on another most common issue. I'm going to filter to my available courses again. The next widget on My Dashboard is Documents and Videos. It lists the total errors and alerts related to documents and videos along with the top issues. PDFs, Word docs, Excel sheets, and videos need a person to review them for accessibility, which is why we list them out. Selecting View All takes you to the Documents and Videos dashboard, which lists all the videos and documents Pope Tech found in your courses. To focus on one or the other, select the Documents or Videos tab in the top. Selecting Details takes you to a list of all the courses that have that document or video. Select Details for a specific course and it takes you to a list of all the content in that course that has that document or video. Now you can open the page in a new tab to review the video or document. I'll select My Dashboard in the top to go back to My Dashboard. The last widget in My Dashboard is a list of courses you have access to with a breakdown of accessibility errors and alerts. It also lists the number of content blocks. Selecting Details takes you to that course's dashboard. You're ready to use My Dashboard to start reviewing all your courses for accessibility. Check out pope.tech/lms-help for all our Canvas resources.